Question 26 is about Doppler effects. First of all, you have to remember in Doppler effects, the speed of sound never change. Either the observed wavelength change or the observed period change. So the speed of sound remains c. Never change. So what happened here now is a moving source, okay? The source moving. So before the source is here, stationary, so it produces the wave of wavelength lambda. And what happened when the source is changed? It means that it moves, okay? In each period, it moves a distance of v period. So the wavelength is shortened by this amount. So the new wavelength will be lambda minus vt. So we have to find out what is vt. Okay, so you remember v equals f lambda. And then you remember, okay, f equals 1 over t. So move it to the left hand side, period equals lambda over c. So after you substitute this back to the equation above, you'll notice that, okay, the new wavelength will be lambda minus v over c lambda. So when you take the lambda out, then it will be lambda 1 minus v over c, which is the new wavelength, and the answer will be